Well, if you've been putting off buying that new home, now may be just the right time to actually make that buy. With interest rates under 3% in some places, some builders are taking advantage and offering incentives to you to buy. So CBS 47's Tony Botti finds out if the deals are as good as they're actually advertised.
New homes starting around $200,000 and an introductory interest rate of 2.5%. Real estate agent Tina DeRosa encourages people to look into these specials.
I mean, if you can afford it and you're qualified, it would be a great investment.
Especially if you don't have a home to sell.
People don't know that what they're renting their home for is probably what they could be paying for their mortgage.
A hot new trend for builders is to buy down the interest rate for potential homeowners. On McCaffrey's cheapest model, you pay 2.5% the first year, which equals $1,100 a month, 3.5% the second year, and $1,200 a month. In year 3, the loan locks into a 4.5% rate for 30 years at $1,300 a month.
The standard normal rate right now is about 5.5%.
Missy Lucente says those monthly payments are based on $7,000 down, but homes are not built until they're bought, so you're not required to put money down right away.
So if you don't have the $7,000 now, we'll work out we call it a savings plan over the construction of the home.
In Fresno, Tony Botti, CBS 47 on your side.
And experts say that the interest rates are at historic lows right now, but they are expected to rise pretty soon.